So basically, when doing the first step of an all-on-4 treatment, obviously we want to see you here in a dental clinic. We want to do a visual examination, we want to do clinical evaluation, we want to do some lab work, we want to take x-rays to be able to determine where the highest quality of bone you have and determine also the quantity of bone that you have so we can have a predictable outcome. So in the first visit, basically get to know your case. In that appointment, once we take the CT scan or x-rays, I'll sit down with you, discuss the process. We do the treatment plan, we can start doing the surgery. You go home for 3 to 4 months, you come back, we do what we call a second stage. In the second stage, we're gonna be taking a new set of impressions, which are gonna help us develop your permanent teeth. We're gonna do wax try-ins until we have a green light that the teeth not only look great, but they look also great functional wise. Once we do that, we can finalize the process by placing in the permanent bridge on the top, permanent bridge on the lower. And we recommend that our patients, once we finish that case, to at least come twice a year to perform a dental cleaning on the bridge. Please feel free to contact Safe Medical Tourism to book an appointment to get you started with the dental treatment.